A lot of people think that when they create their estate plan, they can throw that bad boy on the shelf and totally forget about it. But that's one of the biggest mistakes that you can make when you create an estate plan, because an estate plan should be maintained just as much as you maintain your house or your car. Your oil needs to be changed in your car, your estate plan needs to be checked up. Why do I say that? Because your estate plan is going to change with you. Now, I would doubt that you're going to stay the same for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. And so your life is going to change, laws are going to change, taxes are going to change. And so your estate plan should change with you. One of the big things that we ask you is, have you gotten married or divorced over the last year? Have you had kids? Have kids appeared that you didn't know about? All kinds of things that could happen that would change how your estate plan will function. It's important that you check up on your estate at least once a year. And if you don't have an attorney you work with, you can always give our firm a call. We would be happy to review your estate plan documents, ensure that they work the way you had hoped they work, and that they are functioning the way that they should function given the current legal environment and also how the tax environment will treat those documents if something happens to you. Don't just throw that estate plan on the shelf and let it gather dust, because I think that you'll find that'll be far more beneficial to ensure that it's maintained properly. And you obviously put some time into creating this estate plan, and so you might as well make sure that it's going to function the way you had hoped. I have had some clients come in with some very old trust documents that just don't work the way they had hoped. And if someone, say, created an estate plan while they were married and a spouse has died, that trust sometimes can't be changed, and then we have to run to the court to get a court order to change that trust. Had they just maintained it throughout the years, going to the court to get a court order wouldn't be required. So please, if you don't have an attorney that you work with now, give us a call so we can get you into our office and review your documents and give your estate plan a good checkup.